Hello friends and welcome to another tutorial in our Next.js series. In this tutorial, we will talk about the special files supported by Next.js. In the files and folder based routing in Next.js of app router, files are used to create UI that is shown for a route segment. Next.js provides a set of special files to create UI with a specific behavior in nested routes like layout, page, loading, not found, error, global error, route, template, and default. These files can have extensions like .js, .jsx, or .tsx. Let's take a quick overview on these files. A layout is UI that is shared between multiple pages. On navigation, layouts preserve state, remain interactive, and do not re-render. Layouts can also be nested. You can define a layout by default exporting a React component from a layout.js file. A page is UI that is unique to a route. You can define pages by exporting a component from a page.js file. Use nested folders to define a route and a page.js file to make the route publicly accessible. The special file loading.js helps you create meaningful loading UI with React Suspense. With this convention, you can show an instant loading state from the server while the content of the route segment loads. The new content is automatically swapped in once rendering is complete. The not found file is used to render UI when the not found function is thrown within a route segment. Along with serving a custom UI, Next.js will return a 200 HTTPS status code for the streamed responses and 404 for the non-streamed responses. The error.js file convention allows you to gracefully handle unexpected runtime errors in nested routes. You can create error UI by adding an error.js file inside a route segment and exporting a React component. Error.js boundaries do not catch errors thrown in layout.js or template.js components of the same segment. To handle errors within a specific layout or template, place an error.js file in the layout's parent segment. To handle errors within the root layout or template, use a variation of error.js called global error.js. Route.js allow you to create custom request handlers for a given route using the web request and response APIs. Route handlers are only available inside the app directory. They are the equivalent of the API routes inside the pages directory, meaning you do not need to use API routes and route handlers together. Templates are similar to layouts. Unlike layouts that persist across routes and maintain a state, templates creates a new instance for each of their children on navigation. As the name suggests, default page is gonna be a fallback UI for all the parallel routes. This is it to cover all the special files supported by Next.js inside the app router. We will talk about other routing conventions and deep dive into the special files by understanding how we can improve the user experience using such special files. Thank you so much for watching till the end of this video.
Please share, like, subscribe, tap the bell notification.
Thanks for watching.